this is the communication interface. Vacuum pump power supply. Power supply. This is a probe for the environment. This is air supply pressure regulator. Intake pressure gauge. Vacuum pump, this is the power cord. This is the power switch, press the power button. Instrument wiring. On the right side of the instrument, connect the corresponding air tube to the pneumatic interface, air intake interface, and vacuum pump interface. The gas input is 0.1 megapascal. Adjust the pneumatic air source to 0.3 megapascal. After connecting the wires, turn on the power and wait for 30 seconds. Turn on your computer, plug in a USB flash drive, and copy the operation software installation package to the computer's hard drive. Find the GBPI icon and double-click it. Enter the account password in the software login dialog. The default username or password is admin. This is the main interface of the software. Click Debug, then click Device Debug to enter the device debugging interface. Select the corresponding COM port for the serial port name. If you don't know the number of COM ports, you can check the number of COM ports on your computer's device manager. After selecting the corresponding port, click Refresh, then click Save. Click on the valve here. If you can hear the valve sound, it means the connection is successful. Go back to the test interface and check the bottom right corner of the plane to see if the coolant is running out. If the liquid level is low, add coolant. The water inlet is located above the black plug on the body. Film cutting process. Pull out the positioning pins, lay the sample flat on the rubber mat, and gently put on the sampler. Press and hold the sampler handle to rotate clockwise without stopping during the process. Adjusting the positioning pin to return to the initial position after sampling is complete. Sample release. Press the button to open the pneumatic chamber cover. The instrument is shipped with an aluminum film, and the inside is filter paper. Apply a circle of sealing grease evenly on the chamber. Next, place the cut sample on the chamber coated with sealing grease and smooth it out clockwise. Then close the chamber lid. In the software operation setting interface, select film for sample type, test for experiment type, and fill in the experiment information. After setting the experiment information, click Start Test. At the bottom of the software is the status display area, which shows the working status of the chamber. This is the stop function. Abort the experiment. This is the switch function. Switch the experiment to the next step. This is the curve setting. This is the report in data. You can view historical experiment reports. Preview available. Can be exported. Audit trail, query the operation information, results and details of the corresponding users in the selected time period. Privilege management, the administrator sets the privileges corresponding to each role. Process setting, experiment process step information setting. Calibration, reference film calibration. PID temperature, PID parameter settings. Parameter calibration, perform temperature or pressure calibration. Please contact GBPI if correction is required. System settings, language switching, version updates, etc.